how to change business name in TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to change your business name or your shop name inside of TikTok Shop. And to be able to do that, you're going to look over here on the left side. You will see all the different features available in TikTok Shop over here. As you can see, products, orders, and many more. Simply scroll down until you find the My Account section. Click on Seller Profile. You will see over here. Click on Seller Information, which we will be able to see information about our store. And as you can see here, we have shop name. We could easily change it by clicking on Change and then enter the name or the shop name or the new business name that you want for your shop. Keep in mind that you're only able to do this once every 1 month. So if you change it this month, you have to wait an entire 31 days or 30 days before you can change it again. If you change it in the middle of the month, you can't wait until the first day of the next month. You have to wait in the middle of next month because it will complete a 30-day or 31-day cycle. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.